Do your animals have problems? Milk production going down? Facing delivery issues or weak bones? Don't worry, the solution is here. VET-CAL-D₃, complete calcium and vitamin power for all animals. Improves milk yield to the maximum level. Strengthens bones and boosts skeletal growth. Prevents milk fever, hypocalcemia, and delivery complications. Enhances body weight and growth in poultry and calves. Gives better health, energy, and appetite in pets. Free from antibiotics, nitrofuran, melamine, and GMO. VET-CAL-D₃. Power, strength, growth.